Imagine this. You're not just trying to win the race, you're trying to build an entirely new one. That's the mindset behind Zero to One by Peter Thiel, a bold manifesto on creating truly innovative startups. In today's episode, we'll explore how to think like a founder, build something radically different, and escape competition altogether. Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal and an early investor in Facebook, wrote this book to challenge how we think about innovation. His main argument? Going from zero to one, creating something new, is fundamentally different and far more powerful than going from one to many, which just copies what already exists. So, what does it actually mean to go from zero to one? It means doing something no one else is doing. Not creating another food delivery app, but creating an entirely new category. It's not iteration, it's innovation. Let's break down the core insights that will change the way you think about startups, progress, and your own creative power. The first big idea: competition is for losers. Sound intense, right? But Thiel's point is this: when you're competing in a crowded space, you're focused on outperforming others, not doing something truly original. Real value comes from creating a monopoly, something so good and so different that nobody else can compete with it. So, how do you create a monopoly? By solving a problem in a way no one else can. That often means starting in a small niche, dominating that space, then scaling up from there. Amazon started with just books. Facebook started with Harvard students. Focus small, then expand once you've nailed it. Next, what valuable company is nobody building? That's the question Thiel says every founder should ask. If you're trying to build something important, it should be based on a secret, something you believe that others don't yet see. For example, when Elon Musk invested in electric cars, most people thought it was a dead market. But he saw a secret: that battery tech and design could make EVs not just viable, but desirable. That's the kind of insight that leads to zero to one breakthroughs. Another lesson: the best startups are built by small teams with strong foundations. Thiel argues that founding teams should have trust, a clear mission, and be built to last. It's not about hiring fast and scaling blindly. It's about building a culture where every team member is aligned and committed. And let's talk about technology versus globalization. Thiel distinguishes between horizontal progress, copying what works, expanding to new markets, and vertical progress, creating new things entirely. Going from one to many is globalization. Going from zero to one is technology. One copies the past, the other invents the future. One more core insight: startups don't sell themselves. Even great products need distribution. Thiel is clear: if you build it, they won't necessarily come. Sales and distribution are as important as product. Great companies know how to market, sell, and scale smartly. Let's bring this into the real world. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, or dreamer, zero to one is a wake-up call. Are you chasing trends or building something timeless? Are you competing or creating? This book challenges you to think bigger, to focus on what only you can see, and to build something that doesn't just add to the noise, but changes the game entirely. Here are the takeaways. Avoid crowded markets. Create a monopoly by doing something different. Start small. Dominate a niche, then grow. Seek the secrets others overlook. Build strong, mission-driven teams. Don't forget marketing. Great ideas still need distribution. Create vertical progress. Move the world forward. Call to action. What's your zero to one idea? Let me know in the comments what you're building or dreaming of building. And if you're loving this book's workshop series, subscribe, and share this with a fellow creator. Tomorrow's episode is all about the E-myth, how to stop working in your business and start working on it. Until then, remember, don't copy. Create.